Welcome to Hildestone College's quick lesson series where our teachers give you some English language tips.
Hello and welcome back to Quick Lessons. Today we're going to look at some confusing verbs. The verbs look, watch and see. So let's start with look. The basic meaning of look is move your eyes towards. It's something we choose to do. So you might say to a friend, for example, "Look out of the window, it's snowing." That's what I said yesterday. Sometimes we use the preposition at. When we look at someone or something, we must use the preposition at. So you would ask your friend, for example, "What are you looking at?" Or you might say, "Look at that woman, she's carrying an iguana." That's also a sentence that I actually said, believe it or not. In a hotel bar in Broadstairs, I saw a lady and she had an iguana on her shoulder. I was ever so surprised. Let's look at watch next. Now watch means use your eyes for a period of time to look at something which is moving or changing. So you can see what's important here is that you use your eyes for a period of time. It might be minutes, it could possibly even be hours. And what you're looking at is moving or changing. So your parents might say to you, possibly, "Are you watching the TV or can I turn it off?" And a child, perhaps learning to ride their bicycle, might say to a parent, "Watch, I can do it without using my hands," because they want their parent to look at them while they're pedaling on their bicycle, while they're moving. Our final verb is see. And see means notice something with our eyes. What's important here is we might not choose to see the thing. It just happens without us wanting it. Your friend might ask you, "Did you see Ali when you were at college?" Or you might ask someone, "Have you seen my book? I can't find it." So, in summary, when something is moving or changing and you're using your eyes to follow it, use watch. That's why we watch a film, we watch a football match, we watch someone walking along the beach. If you choose to move your eyes towards something or someone, use look. And if the person or thing comes after the verb, use the preposition at. I'm looking at my computer screen right now. And if you didn't choose to notice something, then just use the verb see. Now remember, you might see some examples that seem to break these rules, but that's often because it's the verb see. And see has many different meanings. It can also mean things like visit. So you could possibly hear somebody say that they're seeing the doctor tomorrow. And of course that is something that they've chosen to do, but there the verb is an alternative to visit or have an appointment with. So you will see some things like that might seem strange. Ask your teacher and I'm sure they'll be happy to explain it to you. Okay, good luck with those basic meanings of watch, look and see, and I'll see you again soon for another quick lesson. Bye!
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please click on the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss the next video. That's it for this lesson. Until next time, goodbye.